say the heat is on.
The heat
Oh
is
my God. On.
on, for sure.
No, it really is.
Yeah, no, make sure you're hydrating. I mean, it's just so important because we really spent a good deal of spring and summer a little cooler than, you know, most summers around here. You know, we hit our highest temperature of this summer yesterday, and that was 99. We're still waiting for the first summer 100. We hit it 3 times in May, but that is spring. And we're trying to chase down a triple-digit high right now. Outside over Calaveras Lake, the skies are blue. Please make sure you're putting on that sun protection. SPF 30 is the minimum, and make sure you're reapplying. You can see cloud-free skies. That means a very high UV index. Right now, 98 on the thermometer. 101 is what that feels like. When the temperature gets into these upper 90s, it's happening because the dew point's dropping just enough. You know, sometimes you can get this into the lower 60s, even upper 50s, and then our temperature's going over 100. That could happen. We're at 100 at Lackland Air Force Base, at Stinson, Calaveras, Pleasanton, all triple digits. And then awfully close, Castroville, Devine, Moore. We've got Randolph at 96, Timberwood Park 98, Banderas at 92. And then here's what it feels like. 95 Kerrville, but 101 here, 104 Seguin, 108 Gonzales, 107 Victoria. Look at Port Lavaca. Heat index is 117. Wow, that is almost dangerous. Please remember, when the heat-related symptoms turn dangerous, that's when you stop sweating. Your body temp hits 103 plus. Your hot, dry skin, the stronger pulse, that's when it's time to call 911. To water vapor, we're starting to lose our mid-level low now. Been tracking this all week long, and you saw it over southeast Texas early in the week, and it just slowly drifted into West Texas and is now dissipating, kind of opening up, if you will, right over Oklahoma, so that will be gone. You can see some pretty good moisture off to the west. Part of that was the thunderstorm activity that was west of Del Rio and then into Eagle Pass last night. It all stayed west of San Antonio. But look at the building moisture in the northern Gulf. We've got good thunderstorm activity off the coast of New Orleans and then up into the Gulf Coast of Alabama and Mississippi as we keep an eye on the tropics. A big pool of moisture is heading our way. Now, these thunderstorms are flaring out way east of the area of interest. This is the spot where the X is over Jacksonville, Florida, essentially. Once it emerges over the eastern Gulf, we've got about a 10% chance right now of seeing that develop into Tropical Storm Dexter. And just like last week, it's going to be another good pool of Gulf moisture that heads in our direction and brings us a chance of rain Friday and into the weekend. So the 14-day forecast, dry tomorrow, 99. Friday, we'll start those rain chances at 10%, but jump them to 20% over the weekend. So it's not a sure thing by far. But we could see some showers move in, maybe an isolated thunderstorm from the east. It'll cool down temperatures a few degrees to even below seasonal. And then we're right back up as we drop rain chances, upper 90s waiting for us on the final days of July. And it looks like we could squeeze in a chance again, 10 to 20% as we begin August. One thing's for sure, now that we're going to begin August and we're going to get into some real heat, the demand's going up for fans, so please, supply time is now. Drop off a brand new box fan at any San Antonio fire station. Help keep San Antonio's own cool this summer, Henry.